Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing video. And today, guys, I got this puppy right here. This is the SOUNDPEATS C30 wireless earbuds. Right now, they're on sale, depending on when you see this video, for $29.99. They normally go for $39.99. So, right now, get a little bit off on them, right? About $10 off. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get to the details. SOUNDPEATS C30 Hybrid ANC earbuds with LDAC Hi Res audio, 52-hour playtime, minus 52 dB adaptive noise cancellation. Wireless earbuds, 6 mic clear calls, 12mm drivers, Bluetooth 6, multi-point, and IP54 for work and travel. Okay, so that's all the details. So guess what, guys? Without further ado, let's get to the eagle eye view. Hey guys, before we get into the eagle eye view, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Listen to me. The YouTube algorithm gods love it when you give me some thumbs up and you share it to other people, because that means it's saying that people are interested in it and it'll push the video out further. So please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the eagle eye view. This is how the box look. All right, we're gonna use this as an unboxing knife today. First time me using this. Let's go ahead and put this up so I won't cut myself. All right. All right, cool. Oh, dropping everything out. All right, so we got this, the books and stuff. Everything that normally comes is here. There you go. Got some trolling stickers. Everything else. Okay, this is it here. Do we have anything else in here? Let's see. We have some ear tips. I'm not gonna take them out, but they're the ear tips and the gel tips. And we have a very, very sorry case of wiring. Okay, for $29, $39 is what you get. So you get USB-A, USB-C. All right, that's cool. Put that over there, and then we're gonna go ahead and open this. Boom. Okay, I like the way that looks. That's pretty. Ooh, it's slippery though. Pretty decent, guys. Open it up. I like the way that looks. Hear the difference. Let me get a little closer, guys. All right, here we go. I like the edges, the etching. Now, even though this has this texture here, it's still slippery. It's still slippery. Yeah, it's still slippery. So even with the texture, it's still slippery, but that's how they look. Let's take them out. Okay, so this is how they look. Okay. So what we're going to do real quick, I'm going to show you how they compare to another pair that I have. Now these are the SOUNDPEATS Capsule Pros Plus. I think Capsule 3 Pros Plus. So you can see how these are compared to this. This is a little bit bulkier, but as you can see, it's about the same size. This is a little longer than these, but you can see that's how they look. So hopefully they sound as good as the Pro. All right, guys, what we're going to do, go ahead and see how it looks charging up. Then we're going to pair it up, look at the app, and then we'll take it from there. Do what I normally do. All right, I will go ahead and give it a quick weigh. You're looking at 45 grams compared to the Pros, you're looking at 50 grams. So these are 5 grams lighter. Okay? All right, we're going to first use the wire that came with it. And then you see, that's how it looks when it's charging up. So now, okay, now normally people have C to C, and we're going to use this as a 40-watt charger. See how that goes with it. Okay, and it's charging up. One more, guys. Go ahead, we're going to use this. This is right here, is a 100 watt. Just see, so in case you have something like this, will it work? And as you can see, it's working. Okay. Then also you have USB-A on this side. We'll see if that. Go ahead and kick it in there. And there you go. That's how it looks. All right, guys. All right, we'll go ahead and hit SOUNDPEATS audio. And as you can see, you already see the SOUNDPEATS C30. We'll hit that. We'll see if we connect the device. We'll hit confirm. That's not it. So we'll go ahead and update it, but that's not the picture. So maybe there's a glitch. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and let it update and see if it resolves itself. Be right back, guys. All right, the update is finished and it did resolve itself. So it's the right picture, black. And just go over a little bit of the app. The app is pretty good. I always like their app. You have the transparency, noise canceling, normal. You have the LDAC. You can turn that on, confirm. It has to restart it. So the LDAC, well, it's pairing now again. Because we had to turn off the pairing. We already did that. All right, guys, I made a mistake. I don't think the Pixel Pro does the LDAC. So when I turned that on, everything started acting wonky because I don't think the Pixel Pro 8 has the ability or has that particular capability of using the LDAC. All right, guys, so I'm sorry. But you can see movie mode. You can see game mode. You also have, that's it. That's all you have. We do have the EQ. So to get to the EQ, you have to go to that setting right here. That's home, EQ. Sometimes they change the app around a little bit. And so you have all the different types of EQ settings on here. All right. So that's it, guys. I've always liked their clean UI. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead, make sure that the active noise cancellation really works. And then we're going to make some calls. Then I'll come back, listen to some music, and then we'll be done. All right, see you in a little bit. Yo, I'm back with the C30 so we can listen to some music, okay, guys? So we're going to go ahead and we're going to open these up. We're going to go ahead and put the right in the right ear and put the left in the left ear. And you should hear say, connect. That's what you should hear. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead. We're only going to listen to 2 songs, not very long, but just so you can get the gist of how it's sounding, okay? Now, I know for some people, before we get to the song, they are comfortable. I've been wearing them. You can see they're not coming out, Now, you don't want to do all that so you can be all dizzy like I am right now, but it's not coming out the ear. So let's go ahead into the actual app real quick. Now, everybody likes music, hear music differently. And sometimes people like heavy bass. Sometimes people don't like heavy bass. And so what I would tell you is if you put the LDAC on, LDAC does make a difference. It sounds a teeny bit better. I'm not going to say 50%, maybe 15, 10% better for those that can hear it. Or you can also go to the set type of sound. You can do that. So that's up to you. So you can hear the music. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and listen to some music. And right now I have it on hi-fi. I'm going to take it off. Because it already come with SOUNDPEATS default sound effects. I don't like the way that sound. So it's even between the default or the hi-fi. I like the way the hi-fi sound. Okay, just to let you know. So we're going to keep it on that because I can't turn it off. I'm sorry about that. So let's go ahead and listen to some music real quick. It sounds decent. Sounds decent. Sounds decent. It's not the best. It's not the worst. It sounds decent, guys. It really does sound decent. Let's find one more song that we can go ahead and play real quick. All right. They sound pretty good. Not the best. Not the worst. The sound is fair to middling. All right, guys. So we're going to go ahead and get back to the regular view. And I'm going to give you my final thoughts and giving the SOUNDPEATS C30 a grade. All right. See you in a little bit. Yo, I'm back to give the SOUNDPEATS C30 a grade and my final thoughts, guys. And I think this product is a very good and decent product. I'm not going to try to keep you here long, so let's get to it. The fit, I'm going to give it a 4. When you do wear it for a long time, you do get the ear sweat, so I'm going to give it a 4. It fits, you shake it, it doesn't come out. Finish and design, I gave it a 3. And the reason why, because even though I do like the texture, it feels cheap, guys. If you hold it in your hand for a long time, it feels like some 1999 type of thing. And I understand, it's only, it's a really budget pair of earbuds, but I didn't think they'll feel this cheap. So I give the finish and design a 3. Now the earplugs, they go in, they fit, they don't come out. So, because I feel as though if this really drops, it will split this open. That's how cheap this feels. So I gave it a 3. Music, I give it a 3. It's not going to blow you away. Even with the LDAC, it sounds okay. Maybe a little above average if most people know how to turn on the LDAC on their phone. So I give the music a 3. I give the voice call, depending on who you calling, if they got good quality, good service, and you got good service, you might get higher than this, but I give it a 3.5. Everybody said they can hear me. Some people sound tinny. The normal stuff when it comes to earbuds, I give it a 3.5. App, I give the app 4. I had a little problem with the app. It started glitching out on me a little bit, so I would have given it a 5, but I give it a 4. The app is still clean, but I gave it a 4. ANC, I was very surprised. I'm going to tell you why I was surprised. I gave that a 4 because the ANC, guys, when you go into noise cancellation, you have indoor noise cancellation, you have outdoor noise cancellation, and you have traffic mode and adaptive noise cancellation. Now, I'm going to tell you, the indoor and the outdoor noise cancellation are different. They're different, and they work pretty good. And the traffic mode, it works pretty good. So I gave it a 4 because it worked really good. Pretty good, really good. You decide which one you want to use, but it worked really well for me, so I gave it a 4. Now, price, I gave it a 5 because it normally goes for $39.99, but right now on sale is at $29.95. Is it worth the $39.99? Yes, it is worth the $39.99. Is really worth the $29.95. So altogether, I give it a 3.7, which is above average. It's above average. And most people won't, they will think it sounds better than the trash earbuds that I see a lot of people using. I see people getting stuff from TikTok. I've seen people get stuff from Five and Below, and they're just using it all the time. So this will definitely be a step up, a way step up from that. So I give the SOUNDPEATS C30 overall score a 3.7. 6.7. Hey guys, do me a favor. Before we go, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, I want to thank my new, current, and new subscriber for still rocking with the channel, guys. The more we give the more y'all share it and get it out there, and more people subscribe, the quicker we can grow the community. So, hey, before we go, please do me a favor. Please hit the notification icon bell, wherever it is on your screen, so you can be notified anytime I drop a brand new video. For some reason, some people say they never get the notification even though it's on. Okay, guys, yet again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, thanking you for rocking out with me on another unboxing journey, guys. We got some more unboxing coming soon, so hit the notification bell and you will be notified anytime we drop a new video. Peace.